Hey, everyone, welcome back to the Hot Skinny Recipe. Today, we have a super easy, delicious, and healthy recipe for you, an all-raw eggplant dish that bakes to perfection in the oven. And the best part? Even kids will love it. Let's get started. For this simple recipe, all you need are fresh eggplants, tomatoes, cheese, garlic, olive oil, and a touch of seasoning. No pre-cooking is needed, everything goes straight into the oven. First, slice the eggplants into rounds. You want them thick enough to hold their shape, but thin enough to get that soft, delicious texture when baked. Now, layer the eggplant slices with fresh tomato rounds, sprinkle some garlic, drizzle olive oil, and top with cheese, season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. That's it. Pop it in the oven at 375 F190 for about 30 minutes until the cheese is melted and golden. So easy, right? Look at this. The eggplants are soft, the cheese is bubbly, and the aroma is irresistible. Let's give it a try. The flavors blend perfectly, and the texture is just right. Even the kids will love this cheesy, savory goodness. Let's see what you all think. Says, tried this for dinner, and my kids couldn't get enough, and adds, so simple yet so delicious, definitely making it again. Keep those comments coming. There you have it, an all raw, easy eggplant recipe that's healthy, delicious, and kid approved. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty and easy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.